sound boy, turning into dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
It's a nice plane,
It's a nice plane, I prefer the 4302 though.
Well?
Personally.
The 4302?
Yeah.
It's a more pop and paper than a two-home.
Yeah, and it play.
I don't hear it, but
I have it. I have three of them, so I know.
When I hear this, I'm going to compare it to the K20.
Yeah, trust me, the 4302 smooth.
Play more than the K10.
Yeah, man, two of them play, but I love the 4302 personally.
Yeah, this, angry.
All of them angry, man. Them have the pay all for power.
Like
Original Mark Dragon.
Like place. At certain note, it don't disappear like somebody have them. It only note them right show.
That's true, man. It pay good.
But into 4-home though, not 2-home.
2-home, I love pan CVR.
CVR play better than 2-home.
CVR play ignorant in that 2-home.
It's the CVR. It's the CVR.
4302. You have to get enough power.
Because them say it give maximum power in a 2-home, but I allow it at 4. It's wicked in a 4.
Me play that 2-home, that 240, 220. Yeah. Wicked.
It a go play, but it all depends on what kind of song you test with.
Any song when me play pan so far, it's never disappointed me.
You can get a tune.
You know the
Yeah, when my sound up here, come give me the tune and let me hear it.
I'll speak and I'll catch a fire, I'm going to explode.
Nah, man. Hey, but hear me, when the CVR play, it no matter what me do to it, me not even come out a green, a straight green.
Let me ask you a question now.
Nah, me not even see no yellow light, a straight green, all the way. Junior.
Man, sir, we need to get set up, you know?
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright.
Him go move this.
Okay, so this is Majesty sound here. They are set up as one column. So now they're splitting it and making it 2 columns because, you know what I'm saying? So they're going to have a column here and they're moving another column over there. Because I feel like it's a better look. See? Majesty DJ Delight.
Yo, expose me. You know I'm wanted. Well,
Yeah. So this is the Majesty. Zan is the builder. You don't know Zan. The neatest box builder, you know. Anywhere about the place, for real. Majesty have all Zan boxes. Oh, Junior. Majesty in the place, TJ Maxx.
TJ Maxx world famous, you know what I mean, from state to state.
Yeah. So this is Magnus Force 24 new boxes. And everybody's using 16 bass today, right? So yeah, this is Magnus Force. Pure new box. See, so 16 of these, I suppose, because they're singles.
No.
And you have the great Mark Dragon from Magnet Force, as usual.
Back in the day.
Hey, but Monday, remember, say nobody no reach here, you know, so you can start trying to me and just start all the way over.
All them boxes new in an hour. Brand new.
What you saying, but just drive the truck.
I don't know. Hurry up, you gotta start at 2 o'clock, yo.
Red man in the building.
Yes, sir. They are from Shirley. Is that what they call it?
Yeah.
Shirley?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Very surely. Magnet Force, I set up him tent. And that's Majesty's tent right there. Get a look from Majesty one rack there.
Would you mix a song that Kenny and Super School? Yeah? See, that's what I try to take it.
Best
Alright,
combination.
now that I have the
Complement
soup
each
scoop.
other.
Alright, this is good enough. Yeah. Alright, thanks.
So I give up here and them.
You might have them back.
You must keep them. Tell them to keep them. Keep them till later. Keep them till later.
My thing though still is that too, the reason kind of the soup scoop kind of work a little better for me because and I have a whole crew, whereas with the Canadians,
You have single Canadians and you have double Canadians. Most of what I do is our single. I know, I'm any kind of
Again, Majesty Sound, 1 column, 4 W18s, 4 tap-ins, beautiful boxes, Zan all the way. Second column, same deal, 4 W18. Well, these are 21s, right? Right? 21s?
Yeah.
4 W21, 8 W21.
Box have to turn this way.
Yeah, sir. There.
man.
Yeah, sir. There.
Winston.
So Junior using 16 double. Junior, 21s or 18? 16, 18, 16 single 18s. So that's Magnet Force 24. 2 sound up on the ground.
Or the white boys who say, come here. Yeah, come here. Yeah, man. Let me open this.
Yeah.
That's the white boy, them always say. Oh, you're on video, man. You can't talk about content.
You can talk about anything you want to talk about.
them.
You can talk about anything you want to talk about, Redman. Are you name Redman?
Just remember this. So anytime I see my friend, everything.
Majesty Sound System on the ground. Hard mark all the way. See these people, one whole rock full of AD60. 2, 4, 6, 8 AD60.
That means there's some serious power.
Big blood clot
Quite a
sound.
few different one them.
Yeah.
You have to buy the right one them, because if you don't buy the right one them, you buy the wrong one them. Exactly.
Is that right or wrong, right?
Yeah, exactly.
There's nothing else.
Too many of them, man.
I'm sorry, I can't work back. I have a big brother at the end time I left it. I mean, I say,
You have kind of story about the place now.
by the time I go good, so I'm going to drop down, man.
We have kind of story. Not like that, boss, man. Keep your mind out the gutter, man. It wasn't in no good. I'm trying to figure out what kind of story you buy 10. And I say 10 man say straw hat. Straw hat? Yeah. You have flea market down the road.
They will leave me something, I'm staying. Yeah.
Yo, I'm going to start to do. I'm going to start get one small little stage. Let me go out and put my thing on a little stage. Yeah. Make sense?
Makes sense.
I have one, man.
You have one? Alright, so why?
Hey man, I'm coming man. Come get you.
You know, fine.
You know, so me up there last week, Thursday, what the last week, Thursday, come look for mommy. Yeah, alright. Go spend the day with mommy.
I hear they so close,
Yeah,
I'm not even sure.
no, you don't work when I drive and I deliver, man. I know purpose. You know me call Digi doing it. Honestly speaking, when I go up there, me call Digi. I say Digi because every time I pass my town, you know, it's a boy me
So
pass.
Wazzy coming in with the generator.
When I pass him town, because it's a boy me pass the toll and pass your neighborhood, you know.
I'm going to show you guys what the Wazzy on the ground with the generator. Show y'all what the food tent look like. So they're doing the event at the different part, you know. So this is the kitchen, even though not ready yet. What you gonna have, Mom?
He said he was finna go watch it. He said he was finna go watch it.
Jerk pork, jerk chicken, ackee sawfish, escovitch stamper. Oh shoot. That's about it.
That's about it?
Yeah.
The ackee and saltfish soon ready? I'm not start yet.
Yeah. But soon we are wait for the time. We left the time at the house.
Oh, okay.
They are wait for the time.
Oh, okay. I want some ackee and saltfish as soon as that ready.
When they knocked on the door, I was asleep.
Chicken up on the grill early. Chicken look like it's soon ready. The chicks say your sound not here.
No, sir. It's not a sequence. Let me tell you something. If nobody don't really get me yet, it's not about me or my sound. It's about all of us.
Yeah, but I thought your sound was on the lineup. It wasn't?
No,
okay. My bad.
And I try. No, man, you say something and it'll open the door to what you say, so we can talk it.
Yeah.
If we learn to work together as units, because what we've been doing over the year with sound system is not working.
It hasn't worked.
It's not working. It's the same regurgitating, the same thing.
But will we ever learn to work together?
I am one of the men that we are learn to work with people.
Well,
I bite my tongue and just do what I have to do, because if I follow people, never end up, people are going to be disappointed with me if I follow people. So I just hold strong and do what I need to do.
I do.
Because people out there
lead by example then, right?
Yes, so at the end of the day, I want to see my sound system culture get better, because look on it. The Hindu, them have temple all over United States, and them not from here.
Yeah.
Why we would not have section where a DMV, Yasso, where our thing? Why? You know why?
Because
if you up on top, I'm going to try my best to get you out of where you there so me can go there. And then that blighted the culture.
Can we name crab? Crab in a barrel. Crab in a barrel.
No, and even that is something where we practice we do to each other.
Yeah, that's something that we're used to. That's something that we've been doing forever.
Yes. And then every man will come and say, me have the biggest sound, me have the baddest sound. But where is the culture going? Is the culture growing?
The culture is not. The sound systems are growing, but culture is diminishing. The bigger the sounds get, the smaller the culture gets.
We talk after you.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right. Nah, man. That did it right straight up. My boy, Wazzy.
Yo!
Wazzy on the ground with the big.
You start trying to get your channel another push.
Which one?
Your channel. I put that video, that DJ video out again.
Oh, yeah,
I said because I know what's going to happen. It's going to hit your channel and let your channel get another push.
Yeah, that shit
so
is
I'm
nice.
try to do that, man. I try to give your thing another rinse, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that video is nice, though.
Yeah, I like it, man. I enjoyed being there and everything. But you do some good videography, brother.
Yeah, man, I
you
try,
make
you
me
know.
a long line of work, man.
Yeah, I do it. I learn it. Let's say that.
You're doing good. You're doing real good. We got a video, come on, Chris.
Yeah. Yeah, the video,
so-
the man them seem to like it, cause I move around, you know?
Right. And it's like one of those things, a lot of people don't watch TV no more.
Exactly, it's just
So
video,
what they
it's
do
just
when
YouTube.
they eat them food or whatever, they're on the computer watching videos.
Yeah.
So it's gonna definitely keep going, man. That's what's up.
Yeah, it's growing. It's
Yeah.
growing.
Respect, brother. Good seeing you again too.
Yeah, man.
All right.
No, there's a reason why I'm asking. Because I come and like say everything that I might so that I'm based on this, So that's what I'm asking.
Studio in the building.
Y'all gonna make a table, yes, sir? I can't. Yeah, make a table.
Okay, so that's Majesty again, 2 column setup. I guess Majesty will start playing soon. They're almost done setting up. In full sign of the building, Magnet Force24. So everybody have 16, 18. Saying, so that's Majesty 16 right there, and this is Magnet Force. Looking nice, Junior.
Virgin, you know where for Google at Home Depot?
Up here?
Yeah.
What do you need from Home Depot?
4 sheet of plywood, man. They say they hard, but they don't set up already, you know. Nothing can run on the grass.
Yeah, but you're almost done, ain't it?
No! Done where? This is only like half of the shit. And my help. See, that's what I'm gonna.
I always watch a YouTube too, man.
Yeah, man, respect,
Yeah,
man, respect.
Far where I come from for this.
How far you come from?
Turks and Caicos, man.
Turks and Caicos,
And
alright.
drive from Georgia. Come on.
Enough respect, enough respect.
That's what I can say. The sound culture,
The culture big, man. Me know, man. Yo, me get called from all about in America, all about Africa, all about, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, respect, man. Yeah. Alright, mommy. See it from the Turks and Caicos.
We come right behind you for sure.
Yeah. No one in the building.
21.
So that's like half of Junior shit.
18, 21, 18. Remember, so you only have 3 stacks. It's only 12 you must. No, 4 stacks. So the next to the top. That's the box and wire. Yeah, split up like that. So wire them play 4-1.
Mark, how can we get this box over that then off? Raise it up.
Oh, that?
Yeah, me talk about.
So draw it over, man. Come on. Let's go.
Yeah, wait, I Derek them hard, you know, man.
Let's push right.
Hard for move it again. Remember, I said the rainfall, how much stays, you know. Ground soft.
You need some manpower, man.
If you have more than one. Once it start rolling, turn around. What do you mean turn around?
Huh?
You turn.
Oh yeah.
Start to turn around.
Sunstroke.
Oui.
I say if you turn around, I say turn the back of the box onto the ground.
I'll make everybody take a breather and then we're going to make one go. We're going to go over there.
Let's draw it up that way. Draw it up that way. Move, man. Move easy, man. Y'all don't move. What's happening?
The paparazzi reach out as quickly.
I mean, paparazzi me have to there before it start. I can't come when it done set up.
You see it? Years
They have enough space in the sound.
They have a chip in
Last time I
have
remember
more
the son when
shit,
Wally have him son as
Exactly.
Jamaica.
Never listen to the sound yet.
You never live it?
Never.
Do something with it.
Trail over the same.
Never yet. Because Jamaica, you have Chucker Man.
Yes, sir.
You push one Chucker Man, so I believe it.
I want to check out the crowd at the party.
Yeah.
I'm class in a return and see what is about it.
All right, go. I'm going to pull it back.
This one twisted a little. You'll have to come back. Wow. Yeah, can I shoot it from the power? Double 12. Get rid of them. I'll get rid of them.
Actually, nice and clean.
Neat. Him just make them, you know. First time them I play. He just made them.
He painted them.
Who made them?
Who do you think made them?
Jerry. You know, I say I'm not with a jury.
Hold on. There. Yeah. Supposed to have 100 for that table at least.
Yeah. It's usually full power. I don't know how it's doing for funny. Yeah, Majesty. Hey, what happened? If we're there? Yeah, but it's we have to charge it. Hey, Acid. What the? Okay.
New York sound. What that sound name? No. Young Jugglaz. Yeah. What you say, Rudy? Respect here. Yeah, man. Brooklyn sound on the ground. Young Jugglaz. That's the Rudy. What the sound name again?
Huh?
What's the sound?
Hotta Vibz.
Hotta Vibz. Alright. Street powered sound. Which part do you come from again, Ruby?
Orlando.
Orlando sound, okay. Straight York drill on the bottom on the bass line. I guess they'll be paying 16 of these because it's supposed to be 16 bass. So, yeah. You're playing 16 or you're only playing 8? 8, yeah, because I'm looking in the truck and I'm like, where the fuck is the others?
Boss said just bring 8.
Oh, okay.
That's good enough, you know?
Yeah.
You can't compete with them, so that's a show what we can do.
Just do what you can do, for real. Stay in your lane.
Stay in the lane. Yes.
You better have stay in your lane, road boy.
And I'm not we are poor, we just exposure.
I true that. If you try, if you don't stay in your lane, you'll crash.
Ah. I would say.
Yeah.
Give me some length on this, man. Pull that up.
How you doing, boss? Cool. Magnet Force24. String up. Wicked.
And put it in a one big old blood clot so and carry go Jamaica go sell it. Them never do it for the money.
Yeah, but it's the same. People might have intentions to make money. Fact is, they're not making money. I'm proof of that. I have a big ass sound. I don't make no money from sound. No, not anymore. I used to.
Out?
I'm not selling my sound because I love it.
Okay.
But back in the days though, back in the 80s and 90s, sequence sound, every big dance we keep, whether Stone Love, Bodyguard, Inner City, every big song out of Jamaica come a Lauderdale, a sequence sound them play for.
Yes.
And it's either we're playing with them or they're playing on our sound.
Used to make
See?
money them
So sound used to make money, but now we're talking fast forward to now. No sound making money.
So what
no
mash
sound
it up?
making. We mash it up ourselves.
You have man with
We
a
mash
bill
it up.
sound, and then just want to hear it outside of them garage, so then bring it out
Yeah,
and undercut the man.
Yeah, hear me.
Keep it that
Since you asked that, let me say this.
That's the biggest problem.
I got called by a friend of mine one time to keep a dance, see? And him asked me a price, and I gave him a price.
Yeah.
For rent my sound, saying just to use the sound system.
Yeah.
And him asked me if you're a DJ. And I gave him the DJ number. And him call the DJ and the DJ say, alright, me will play. Me will bring my sound and play for half of what I was charging him just for the sound. That's what killed the business. Things like that kill the business. Man, I undercut man. They have a million sounds. And man, they play for anything. Man, I play for all free.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So that's what killed the business.
We play free enough time.
Yeah, but
it depends. Because you have a whole heap of people when you have to play for free.
Yeah, but if you play for free, then when the man will charge, now get no work.
Nah, get no
if you play for free, no, nobody not pay, somebody else to pay.
Man, when play for free, anytime me have a problem. See Maurice there anyway him there. Maurice can get anything from me now.
Well, they ask what killed the business. That's what killed the business.
Yeah.
The freeness.
Because anything more want and call him on the phone, we all drive and bring it come.
Yeah, the free thing is what killed the business. They have a million sounds, and most of them are playing for almost nothing.
So what man them are going to do to get back the culture up and running?
I don't know. We have to make some changes.
Nah, we do something.
We have sound system because we love it, but it's not working. So what me I do to change the business, I spread it to the world.
Yeah?
That's what I'm doing. Majesty sound on the ground. First turn on.
Technology, man. Remember the piece I took. Fuck man, if you use a piece I took.
Red light. May I speak to the upsetter? You know, he's busy.
Majesty for the ground. How you doing? Akian's office over this way. Oh, yeah, the road. We're there. Majesty on the ground. Huh?
Nah, I was saying he need to put it together.
No, play it better like that. Believe me, play it better like that. Believe me. Respect. Come on,
respect. Just to see the girls I play.
Big bad Majesty on the ground.
You want me to turn it down so you can talk on the phone? Are you serious? This must be President Trump on the line.
How you doing? I'm right. I'm doing good. I'm sorry. Hello?
A joke at the pan, right? I must say Trump in the pan the phone with.
Listen, I told me about that.
At the venue?
Okay, I'm right there all the way to the right. I just walked.
No, in the pan the phone with this people in the pan. That him the pan the phone with?
Yeah, I was play music, man. I could have even Donald Trump there on the phone, man.
Yeah, well, I them control the thing.
Who I got give my son like
I know I've done it before it started.
Exactly. They control it.
Man, play music, man. You crazy, man?
Yeah. So Majesty sound up on the ground, and trust me, Majesty sound I play. Wicked. Strong. 100 feet from it. Ridiculous. Jugglaz.
Nah, I let down New York today, right?
No, let him down.
Eh?
No, let him down.
Jugglaz using linearies on the top end. Hotta Vibz Sound.
I see your face not looking so good.
I get worried about your good time.
We gotta make a change. I'm not giving away.
It's for the record.
The old one, yes, but not the new one.
No one
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right.
Magnus Force 24.
Switch payment.
Nothing stays the same. Everyone will change. No one stays the same. The young become the old, and mysteries to unfold. 'Cause that's the way of time. Nothing and no one goes unchanged. There are not many things in life you can be sure of, except rain comes from the clouds and lights up the sky. And hummingbirds do fly. Winter turns to spring. A wounded heart will heal, but never much too soon. Yes, everything will change.
mind the music. We enjoy the music, but the bass is like. Rasta
Tell him to that.
Just push it higher.
Yeah, he said no.
Bad music, don't tell them say what a joy, joy, joy.
Shirts torn from my back, but that's not quite the fact. My shoes down to my socks. Ain't no place to lay my head. Don't even own a bed. I can't remember when I've eaten bread.
Magnet Force Sound. Wicked.
She doesn't want me around. She's got something to hide.
21 or 18?
18.
18?
Giving her the time to experience, to be taking, funky.
Check 1, 2. Yeah, man. Also big up Majesty Sound in the place. Magnet Force Hotta 24. Young Jugglaz in the place, you know what I say. And a newcomer to the thing. Right now, I'm ready for your sound check. Young, go ahead, man, and take it away.
Hotta Vibz. Touchdown on the ground.
I waited till I saw the sun. I don't know why I didn't come. I left you by the house of fun. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. When I saw the break of day, I wish that I could fly away. Instead of kneeling in the sand, catching teardrops in my hand. My heart is drenching wine. You'll be on my mind forever.
There, I'm there.
Your sound go on with that.
That go on. Me don't tell you something there, but the sound go on. Sound go on with it.
I love it.
Yeah, man, respect. No, are you work on a sound here, don't? Yeah.
He's only playing.
Oh. That's the rhythm there.
Nice. Clean.
We meet every day at the same.
York Bills, my boy.
Audio check 1, 2.
And the admark them, the admark.
Digital sound system, big up your damn self, you know man say. Also big up all of the sound man them. We come fast, you know, say we want to punch it by the 2 o'clock hour. So we have Magnet 24. Already ready. Magnet, you ready? Majesty, you ready? Young Jugglaz, semi-ready. Yeah, and Hotta Vibz.
Get in ready.
The smallest are the smiling sound. Because when you're smiling, you're good enough. Alright, we'll say the smiling sound. I know the smallest sound around here. Right, General? The smiling sound. Yeah. That's how you run. Holland. You see you drop off a sound truck. Alright, let me tell you something. You have known me over the years, okay? I have a doctorate in human psychology and physical behavior. I see that give you a hard time, you give you a doctor third.
Young Jugglaz, straight 80s, 60s.
What's it?
Nice.
AFPL or JPS? Which one? What's the movements? Yeah. Want to big up. I'm also fall, you know. Want to big up all of the ladies, them. Because when they come their home and season up on the dinner for tomorrow. But on the day of here with us in the park. Support the culture. I remember, buy the woman them something to drink. Even if it's not your woman. Alright? Because it's very humid outside. And God first, a woman come after everything else. Still a struggle. Still a struggle. Alright? For smiling vibes. I saw that song. Oh, let me hear you. You ready? You check good? For young Jugglaz, let me hear you. I'm going to kick it off, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to ask all selectors and representatives for the song. We're going to have a little meeting. It's not a disclosure. That means that everybody is on the same level. Not a man saying about this song. Oh, God.
I don't know.
And when it comes to balance, it's like a
Hotta Vibz Sound out of Orlando.
Darling, you send me honest, you do, honest, you do. At first I thought it was infatuation.
Young Jugglaz need to test.
Let me break it down and tell you what your sex is like. I don't know what it is. I just feel like sex with you. It's like, it's like, hey, I don't even know what it's like. Sex with you is like when I wake up in the morning, smell that good on breakfast mama used to make. Sex with you is like the feeling that you get when all your friends about you on your birthday. Sex with you is like I made the last shot and everybody sweet dreams do. And to feel the way I do, you know, it's also natural because it come to me the way that fairy tales do. And to feel the way I do, it's also natural because it come to me the way that sweet dreams do. Yeah, under the sheets, daddy feel free, do it the way I like it. I don't need to speak. I love your style, stay for a while. See you with the kids on the porch on Sundays. I wanna be your everything. I'm tryna buy a pretty diamond ring. Cause to give my love to only you seems like the natural thing to do. To feel the way I do, you know it's also natural because it come to me the way that fairy tales do. And to feel the way I do, you by the rivers of Babylon, past where you hold. Red eyes and diamond deep in blood, by you when you lick it and I want to
Okay, so that was Hotta Vibz out of our
A little housekeeping, please. See if you park.
Next up will
on
be
the grass,
Young Jugglaz out of New
anywhere,
York City.
on any surface that is grass, your car will be towed. So if you know you park on the grass and not in the parking lot where it's hard concrete or asphalt, your car will be towed. All right? So as we await Young Jugglaz to come forward, we are going to start up the show again and make we come back down and catch them up. Mark Dragon. You ready, Young Jugglaz? All right. Sorry, sir. False alarm. Young Jugglaz, take your test. Make sure you pass. The professor is in the house. Want to support the kitchen? Want to support the bar? And if you park on the grass, you will be too. All right? Thank you.
There you go, fashion fever from your.
You don't test everything 1-1, bro?
You don't turn on everything on time, but
Come over here and turn down.
This is not my shit.
So Young Jugglaz sound. You don't use no bag of erector scale. No,
none of the foolishness.
No, no, foolishness. Secret sound, this, you know. You know him that like that sound, yeah.
None of the foolishness. You don't know.
Scale, no church clapping equipment.
There's a chant, the apex.
That's the regular, normal.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what the sound needs.
But this ain't no what on there. But this ain't no $2 no brother. So no matter with that.
$2 or not, but it's just that. That's all he needs.
Shit.
That's a real thing. That's a real thing.
No over processes.
Yeah.
There you go, fashion fever from your eyes. Come over here and shut them eyes. Here goes.
Big bad sound, young Jugglaz sound.
Shaking just like the breeze. Hey baby,
Bad sound, young Jugglaz sound. Big bad sound, young Jugglaz sound. Big bad sound, young Jugglaz sound.
Young Jugglaz out of New York City. Brooklyn sound. Them top that play wicked, man.
Yeah, man.
All of them.
Wicked, man.
And those are the smaller ones. The big ones over there are wicked. Huh?
Them that the small one, them that the big one.
I know those are the big ones,
Me
but,
never hear
but
the
even the small ones sound freaking good.
Me never hear them yet outside like this. Me hear them already in the store. And I was like, yo, them shits.
I didn't know they had that size. That's
The 15? Yes.
Those are the 15, yeah.
Yeah,
Everybody else
15
use
of
12s. 10s or 12s.
When them just come out, me didn't hear it.
Nobody ever had any. I mean, only man in the US had any.
No, man, when them just come out, me hear them.
Probably me hear them from, but me the only man in the US that had them. The whole of the USA.
Actually, I've never seen the 15s. I've only seen the 10s and 12s.
I never seen the 15s.
I've seen the 10s and 12s, never the 15s.
You probably talking about the 4 with 12. The 4 with 12.
Yeah, 4 with 12 with some bass.
Yeah.
Yeah, the big one, them different.
VIP.
VIP, you never have any.
They're a bit smaller than that.
Yeah, the 12s.
Yeah.
That's what he's using over there, the 12s. Junior's using the 12s,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't want them to be, and I was like, whoa!
Yeah, man, them sound good, man.
Impressed the shit out of me.
They play good. But even the 10s, these are 10s, and they play good. Yeah. Now we get to hear the line arrays and Majesty top. Different thing. Because everybody else is using line array except for Majesty. The line array design, the concept, yeah, but
sleep on that.
I know that. I know what's in there too. 2-1. I think you look at that like 4, 6, 1, double 12. Double 12. And the bass is what double 18 or double 20. 18 can keep up with that something. Go on to 18. What? And over 15. I don't know about that. No, he's got I think 15. 12. I said no 18s can keep up with them watches. 4, 16, yeah. And the boys, so 4, 16, 15, 12, 2, 1. It's fucking low, it's not loud. It's fucking loud as well, and it's clean. It sound good. Last time you heard it sound good. That's how we get sound, man. Bad sound. 3 years ago. We did, we have the sound system roll call. Yeah, so he did it the other day. Wicked. Wicked sound. The bass? Bass not play it. I know, but just from what you hear? Yeah.
You want to hear that bass then?
You want to hear it?
Go way down so.
Okay.
Trust me, go way down so. You don't want to know what else you have to do. So why am I start you just so
Hey, so man, I'm there for the night, so.
No, sorry, in Miami, to Carnival, I put 34 MBS there. 28 of them. The boss. This is when you don't play it, it's subject to 10 minutes or 5 minutes, but it depends on the time we have it. But then I take rules and rules tonight. But no expressive. If the song have a dub in it, we can't avoid it. You know what I'm saying? But don't overdo it. You know what I'm saying?
I'm waiting to hear you make that statement, young man.
I don't know, and only the older heads alone about so the younger heads don't know so.
You're not that young, dude. You don't look that young. I hear you though, I hear you. test.
And the whole string up, shut up team. Romance, we love it. It's an epic one. Little now, big up yourself, youth. Everything good. Right now, we have 4 big bad sound in the land. The rules are each sound 15 minutes round. The second round, another 15 minutes round. The third round, another 10 minutes round. If time permits, another 10 minutes round after that. Then we're gonna have a 45 round. And then we're gonna have some presentations, some awards to be given out. And then we're gonna go to dub for dub. It could go for a 10-minute session of dub for dubs, or it could go for a 5-minute session, or it could go for a 1-tune dub for dub. But time will tell. On the dub part of the program, no explicit, no bad word, because we have families in the park. But if the song have a bad word in it, and you know your song, you could carefully bleep that part out and continue. But if it get away from you, let it go, don't try to catch it back, alright? Big up Zan, you're responsible for most of the sound system in Florida, you know. Nice when I watch a program at Jamaica, and the man them say, oh, Stone Love carries on box. BSRDC carries on box. Renaissance carries on box. Then you have another friend, you call his name, but you know his phone number by heart, 876-349-8377. He say, I might design them. Hey! So right now, I'm asking all the captain of the ship to take his turn. Go and support the bar, go and support the kitchen, and like we say, keep the place tidy, because not everywhere we can go and have something like this. So if we do it right, we'll get to do it again. And if you happen to in the venue and you don't have an armband, please go to the white tent down there and just support the thing. See? Support the thing, pay for your armband, and always make everything nice. So with the mind and the soul and the body, I want to big up Enforce of the World Sound, Shocking, big up yourself, Intensity, Sequence, Family, big up all of the big sound in another place. You know what I say? We have a late non-starter, and he's on the injured list. He's on the injured list. Rhythm Master, he's on the injured list. He got scratched. He got scratched. And then we have another
false pretender.
No, he's not a false pretender. He's original and he's real, but he did not pass the lie detector test. So he could not be here. Alright? Don't kill me. So in the meantime, between time, big up Father Cancer. Audio, Magnet Force, my friend for life. Big up yourself. I'm say, Foundation, Code Force, big up yourself. And without further ado, Magnet Force, your 15 minutes starts now when you start playing. And I ask you, please, don't beg no tune. And if you are beg, this is how you beg. Majesty, this is how you beg. Son, show Majesty how you beg. This is how you beg. You just call my attention and beg like this. Don't select us me a thief one. Alright? So in the meantime, between time, once Mike Jugglaz sound the trumpet, you know, say, Magnet Force Audio 24, 786-459-9454. We're ready. Are we ready? Rivera, are we ready? Yeah.
Silly, something that a girl like me never dreamed of, and never was for me, no, not really. Something that a girl like me never dreamed of, and it was for me, no, not really. But there was not a guy who was special enough until you came and made me so happy. Like a child on Christmas Day, I was so anticipating. Changing, you brought me so much joy. Love story, love's all the hopes of a girl and a boy. I used to think love was a mystery, something that I got just not figure out. I never had no sister, not even a clue what truth was about, until you came and made life believe. Like the very first day I was so anticipated. Girl, I didn't know I had love inside of me.
Tapping them sound good. Cleaner than a motherfucker. Right, man, I turn him down again. Fuck. It's after 2, it's almost 3 o'clock.
Boss, you got the player got all day?
Isn't it supposed to be?
I can't even hear the guy next to me. Oh shit, man. It's not a good, I think it sounds good.
Sounds good to us. The fuck you talking about? What's everything? Oh, you think it sounds good? Yes, it sounds good. The fuck out of here.
Supervise, big up your damn self. Anyway, are we ready now? Mark Jugglaz, 15 minutes starting when I hear bing. Start now.
A song for the ladies. And it's the Dragon. Yeah. The time is right.
Magnet Force 24.
You hold tight
15 minutes.
and love.
set me high.
Mark Jog and the engineer on this song.
Please tell me yes, and don't say no, honey, not tonight. I need to have you next to me in more ways than one, and I refuse to leave till I see the morning sun creep through your window pane. 'Cause love won't let me wait. Not one moment, baby, no. The time is right. Turn down the lights and take my hand. We'll take a flight and spend the night in Wonderland. Now move. A song for the ladies, and it's the Dragon. Yeah, 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 yeah. The time is right. You hold me tight and love set me high. Please tell me yes, and don't say no, honey, not tonight. I need to have you next to me in more ways than one, and I refuse to leave till I see the morning sun creep through your window pane. 'Cause love won't let you wait. Not one more minute, baby, no. The time is right. Turn down the lights and take my hand. We'll take a flight and spend the night in Wonderland. Now move a little close to me. You owe it to yourself, and I will selfishly take a little for myself, and it's because of you that love won't let me wait. I need your love so desperately, and only you can set me free. When I make love to you, we'll explode in ecstasy, and I won't take the blame, no. But love won't let you wait. No, no, no. Love won't let you wait. Temperatures are rising. Love won't let. So that they can see while I sing. Hallelujah, I see Moses. Oh, yeah. Hallelujah,
Knowing the hypocrites, they always watching. Let them be ashamed who seek after my soul. Let them be turn it back who wish to see me go down. Let me shout, hallelujah. I see Moses, stand tall and I say, hallelujah. I see Joshua, oh yeah, hallelujah. Let me hear you say, hallelujah.
Sound boy, calling in the dance zone. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.